In this video, we will try to control a 7-segment LED using Arduino and IC 74HC595. This IC has 8 output pins which can be controlled by sending data in the form of 0 and 1 to pin 14 or the DS pin on the IC. Before starting further discussion, first we open the Proteus application. Then, look for the necessary components such as Arduino, 7-segment, and IC 74HC595. Next, we will connect the circuit, where we will connect output pins Q0 to Q6 to pins A to pin G on the 7-segment. To send data, we will connect the SH_CP pin to pin 13 of the Arduino and the DS pin to pin 12 of the Arduino and the ST_CP pin to pin 11 of the Arduino. The Mr. pin is connected to 5-volt power and the OE pin to ground. Because we are using a 7-segment with a common cathode type, the COM pin on the 7-segment is connected to ground. Then, we will use the virtual terminal to display the array values. To use a virtual terminal, first take the terminal and connect the TX leg to RX and the RX leg to TX. After that, we will start programming. Open the Arduino IDE application, follow the steps below, and copy the prepared program. In this program, the pins used to control the shift register are defined, namely SH_CP, clock, DS, data, and ST_CP latch. An array is set up to store the lighting pattern for each number from 0 to 9 on the 7-segment display. The displayDigits function is responsible for displaying numbers on the 7-segment display. This repetition is carried out 7 times, and each bit of the lighting pattern is sent to the shift register using the digitalWrite command. After completing sending all the bits, SH_CP and ST_CP are set so that the shift register copies the sent data to its internal register. In the setup function, the pins used are set as output and serial initialization begins with a speed of 9600 bps. In the loop function, the number to be displayed is changed from 0 to 9. The displayDigits function is called to display the number, and a delay of 500 milliseconds is applied before moving on to the next number. After that, copy the file location and paste it into the Arduino program in Proteus. Now, when running the simulation, we have succeeded in displaying the numbers 0 to 9 in 7-segment using Arduino and IC 74HC595.